What is going on here? Hello, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today on the Beauty Food Chick, come along and I'll show you how to make this crispy oven roast Parmesan potato. Wash your potato, slice your potato, add salt to your boiling water. Cook your potato for like 10 minutes because we want it soft. Then to your baking pan, you want to grease with oil. Bring in your Parmesan. This cheese is delicious. Add your black pepper or any seasoning of your choice. This is me adding red pepper flakes, and I added more black pepper because I love spicy food, but in moderation. So I brought in my potatoes, layered them properly, then introduce oil again to them because this has to be delicious and crispy. Alrighty, grated more Parmesan over this. And as a recipe developer, I am always coming up with stuff. So I grated lemon zest over this just to make it more delicious. Popped that in the oven for like 10 to 15 minutes. And voila, this beauty came out of this. You may be wondering, why the potato skin though? Hang on a minute. I am going to be sharing the benefits of eating potato with its skin. Then I brought in this compound butter that I made with garlic, fresh herbs like dill, and coriander. This combination is heavenly. I am not even exaggerating. I have a video on how to make that compound butter, and I'll be uploading it very soon. Now, back to the benefits that I promised I was gonna share with you. So, eating potato with its skin is good because it is high in potassium, high in fiber, protein, minerals, vitamins, and it is a good source of vitamin B3 that helps cells to break down nutrients into useful fuel. Now, when we say fiber, fiber helps to keep your metabolism in check. I also hear that eating potato with its skin helps to lower the risk of colon cancer, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. I am not a physician, so please, you want to check with your physician or dietitian. Let's look at that. Ooh! Look at how crispy that looks. You can even see it. You literally can see it. If you like, after boiling your potato, you can smash your potato before placing it on your baking pan. I just chose to have mine made this way. Anyway, it is gonna be crispy. Trust me. And adding all of this ingredients just takes it to another level, guys. Not making this up. Let me know in the comment section if this is a recipe you are gonna be trying. Is this something you know? And if you try it, are you gonna add something? Are you gonna take out something? Please let me know in the comment section. And I must appreciate you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, you want to consider subscribing because I have a lot on my channel that will benefit you. And if you're a returning subscriber, Thank you so much. God bless you. This is me just showing up. It was delicious. Not making it up. It was delicious. Trust me, guys. It was. Now, I realize that it may be boring for some people. So this is me just showing you that you can use roast tomatoes to eat your crispy oven roast Parmesan potato dish. Take a picture, take a picture. I'm waiting, I'm patient. Take a picture, guys. Alrighty. Thank you. Do you want some? I love you. Mwah. Alrighty, guys. Bye. Follow for more. Mwah.